Welcome to the Rizzzler. Welcome to the animal quiz. I will give you an animal name, and your task is to choose the correct picture of it. First one, monkey. A is correct. Deer. B is correct. Crocodile. C is correct. Which animal loves to eat bamboo? B. Panda. Jellyfish. C is correct. Whale. A is correct. Elephant. A is correct. Tiger. C is correct. Starfish. B is correct. Which animal is the fastest? B. Cheetah. Hippopotamus. C is correct. Octopus. B is correct. Wolf. C is correct. Bear. A is correct. Stingray. A is correct. Which is most colorful? B. Chameleon. Giraffe. C is correct. Dolphin. B is correct. Goat. C is correct. Which animal has very long teeth? A. Walrus. Rabbit. B is correct. Bulldog. A is correct. Crow. B is correct. Which animal sleeps upside down? C. Bat. Squid. C is correct. Which bird is the symbol of peace? A. Dove. Sea turtle. B is correct. Peacock. B is correct. Camel. A is correct. Shark. A is correct. Which animal is known for playing dead to escape danger? C. A possum. Lobster. B is correct. Fox. C is correct. Kangaroo. A is correct. Which animal is the largest? C. Elephant. You made it to the end. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun quizzes.